Today I show you how to convert a widget to an app icon on your iPad. This is very simple. On iPadOS 26, this is the iPad Pro 13. This is the iPad Pro M5 13-inch with iPadOS 26, but this works on most iPadOS versions, the recent ones at least. Before you can convert the widget to an app icon, you have to make sure that the widget is an actual widget and not a stack. This is a stack here, so you can change the size of the stack to a smaller size, but you cannot change it to an app icon because it's not a widget. This weather widget here, it's actually a widget that you could do that. So I have here the weather widget. For example, here these two here are actual stacks of apps, and they will not be able to change into app icons. I don't have the option. But here for the Notes app, I can do a long press on the widget, and then you see this menu here, and you have an option to resize. You can make the stack. You have the option to resize. You can make the widget bigger or smaller, but you tap here and you make it into an app. So now that's the Notes app. Now that's the Notes app. Now the Notes app is an app icon and not a widget, and I could turn it back into a widget if I wanted to, or I can turn it back into an app icon like before. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.